Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Xingfa Exhibition Hall. Xingfa System is the R&D department of Xingfa Windows and Doors. And here behind me is Xingfa Exhibition Centers of key research items demonstrations. Let's go and take a look. Ladies and gentlemen, this is 110 single track sliding windows. This window has a wood grain surface treatment. And also you can see this window has a security fence and mosquito net. I will show you how to use this product. This product has stainless steel tracks which improve the sliding performance. And also, as you can see, the glasses gives you a wide range of outdoor views.